Malungkot na naman si Akamaru.
Baka kulang sa nutrition, Mama.
Mabuti na lang at to the rescue ang Hegen Pet Goat Milk. Gentler on stomach for easy digestion and easy absorption. For 60 ml na warm water, lagyan ng 2 scoop. And then, haluing mabuti. Maraming health benefits ang pagpapainom ng Hegen Pet Goat Milk sa ating mga alagang pets. For nutritional provision, it promotes growth, energy supplement, easy to digest, it enhances immunity, mother's milk substitute, it promotes intellectual development, it supports brain and visual development. Meron din itong calcium for strong bones. Mainam ito sa ating mga alagang aso at pusa. Hayaan at active at ang saya-saya na